My friend, myself Aman, and as you know that I am making this video because if you want to learn English, then you have to listen English. When you will listen English, then your understanding will increase. So I am standing on the road of Maharishi Valmiki International Airport. This road goes to the Maharishi Valmiki International Airport gates, and the building which you are seeing me behind me. This the camp of army officer. Here many army officers live together, and you can see that this is the building, and the, the inside this wall a huge ground. There is a huge ground where many army officers play together and they enjoy a lot of. My friend, today I am facing a problem, that is my cough. So in between my video, if I cough, so please sorry. So today I will tell you that how can you learn English, my friend? Because as you know that if you want to do job, if you want to do uh, grow in your life any field, the main thing requires your English. And that if you have much knowledge about this subject, then you can make your career good way, my friend. And you can grow in your life more. My friend, the car which you are seeing behind me, this is not any ordinary car. इसमें बारात जा रही है, एक दूल्हा राजा है. Okay, so the topic which I was discussing, we have to learn English, and what is the way that so that we learn English. So my friend, if you want to learn English, then you have to follow some rules, some discipline, some regulation. If you follow them, if of course you can learn. My friend, you spend a lot of money to learn English. You go many places, you join many coaching, and you do many things that whatever you do, I don't know. But most many people say after all of this I can't learn English. My friend, let me tell you that if you want to learn English, there is no need to go any coaching. There is no need to join any courses of English speaking. You are everything, and you can learn English by yourself. My friend, as you have heard that heard that English is just like a language, and if you want to learn a language, then you have to indulge in that language. And maybe I think I am speaking, my voice is not going to clearly to you, but whatever go whatever it goes, that is enough for me. Yeah, as I told you that I am facing the problem of cough, but and as I told you that you can learn English by yourself, and the thing that is must require your discipline and your dedication. You have to talk with yourself half an 1 hour every day, and you have to speak some sentences, no matter what type of the sentences you speak, no matter how many mistakes you do in your sentences, but you have to speak a sentence every day. When you start to speak a sentence every day, my friend, believe me that you can learn English very well. So my friend, I am you can see this is the way of the Maharishi Valmiki International Airport, and this is the very good object which is placed here. You can see, and here there is a flower and plant of flower, and you can sit here also. You can sleep here also. It is enough for a person whose height is 4 feet. It is enough for them. And the topic, my friend, when I speak something about to learn English, sometimes I talk about around thing, because you know that my purpose is to speak about something. When I will speak, my English will also increase as your English will increase. So you have to follow that rule that I have told you, that you have to learn by yourself, and no matter that how many type of the mistake you make when you start to learn in your journey, no matter how many type of the mistake you make in your journey, if you don't make mistake, you can't learn. A very good person, a very great person has said that if you make mistake, then you are a human. If you don't make mistake, you are a machine. Because we are not a machine, we are a human beings, and it's our nature, it's our behavior, it's our behavior that we will make mistake. So when you will make mistake, don't be nervous. And when you will listen someone and that he is speaking English very good than you, no, you may be nervous, but my friend, don't need to be nervous. You have to tell to yourself that I have to learn English, and I don't need to compare myself to with any one person. Whatever I know, I will speak. I don't know that how much good my pronunciation, how much good my grammatical structure. But if you do practice, if you want to do anything, then you can learn, my friend. And पीछे आप देख सकते हैं बारात जा रही है, जो मैं सेंटेंसेस नहीं बोल पाता उसको मैं हिंदी में कर देता हूँ। तो आप देख सकते हैं दूल्हे राजा की गाड़ी पहले जा रही है। इस समय शादी विवाह का वो है, तो आप देख सकते हैं। और तो ओके, तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कई गाड़ियाँ जा रही है दूल्हे राजा